This is the in-ground effect hover chart for the R44 helicopter. One thing to keep in mind is that this is at a 2-foot skid height. The 9,800 feet density altitude envelope is accounting for a 17 knot wind, as seen by the note at the bottom of the page. Remember, when you're doing your altitude and temperature calculation to see how much weight you can take, we account for a standard 2 degrees per 1,000 feet as we increase in elevation. This is the out-of-ground effect chart for the R44 helicopter. This is implying that you are outside of that 2-foot skid hover height and beyond. In case you are asked to go outside the temperature, altitude, or weight limits of the out-of-ground effect chart, in this case you can ration your fuel, ration your cargo weight, and also ration your people weight inside the helicopter. Do multiple trips. There's always options